Hello, my friends. How are you? I'm Charlotte, and this is The Daily, where we talk all things skincare, fashion, fitness, and nutrition for women over 40. Happy to come to you again with another Trendsend box. This is like my fourth or fifth box. I'm hoping this box has a lot of really good stuff in it. It doesn't feel super heavy. Let me grab it. It doesn't feel super heavy this time. I mean, yeah, I guess it feels a little substantial. I haven't even opened it yet. Don't even know what's inside. You guys know, like the last box, I kind of felt like it left a little to be desired. Now, I look for those pieces that just completely knock my socks off because that's what I'm gonna keep. You know I don't keep everything. But if I find a piece that really just knocks my socks off, I'll keep it. And you guys are really good about letting me know what you think looks good on me. So I really count on that in the comments. Thank you guys so much for your support, by the way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now's the time. I'd love for you to subscribe because we have so much fun around here. And hit that like button because it helps my YouTube algorithm. Hit that bell notification so you never miss another upcoming video. And I think I've said it all. I just want to let you guys know that I do appreciate you. Honestly, you guys have been amazing, and I do feel like you guys are my friends. So thank you guys a million. I just hit 3,000 subscribers, and I want to say thank you. Woohoo! You guys, thank you. God bless you guys. So thank you for your support. You know I appreciate you guys, and I do love you guys, and I mean that. So thank you. One of you told me that sometimes they will style you from the actual Trendsend store, and then other times they will style you from the warehouse, and you want to be styled from the warehouse. So it really does benefit you to find out where you're being styled. And it looks like Ashley is styling me again. Just some of the logistics of Trendsend. So basically, they send you a kind of just a checklist of everything they sent you and how much it costs, and I'll go over that. Okay, for the first time, it's $1. But going forward, I'm not sure if it's $20 or $25, and I want to get it right, so I'm going to list that right there. But I'm going to go ahead and go through all the clothes. I've just opened the box. I'm going to hold up the clothes, show you what they're like, show you who makes them, tell you the price. It's always a fun one. And you know, I have to also tell you guys that Trendsend isn't an inexpensive store. So, you know, that's why I might choose one or two pieces. I'm not going to choose the whole box because it is not really an affordable kind of store. You know, I mean, you know, I guess it's relative because I'm not sure who's watching. If you were to parallel it with my Walmart videos, for instance, totally different price range. But I do like to show things from different stores occasionally as well, just so you have options. When you hear the price, I may cringe or wince, but you may love the price. First thing I pulled out of the box were these cut from the cloth, size 0 Mia high-rise skinny jeans. They have a washed look, but they're not distressed. So I like that. The back, these are cute little pockets. And I kind of like, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera. I think it is. Oh, wait a minute. There is a little distressing right there. I kind of like that whitewash look. You know what I mean? It kind of looks just a little worn. I really think that's cute. But I'm not really into the distressing as much. I just have enough of those type of jeans. But these are those. And let me get the price for you really quick. $89. So it's really not a bad price for a good pair of jeans. You know, let's try those on, see what they're like. They are high rise, so depending, you know, I kind of run a little on the short-waisted side, so almost short-waisted. So sometimes, depending on the high rise, they can call them high rise, and sometimes they don't fit me like high rise, but we'll see what those look like. This is a little black and taupe floral blouse. It's by Alice and Joy. It's $88 and it is in a size small. So this is kind of one of those flowy type of tops, and then, you know, it cinches in. So, you know, here is the bottom. It kind of cinches in there. And then let's see what the sleeves look like. The sleeves are kind of those balloon sleeves, and they have a little piece of elastic at the end there. And then the top has that smocking kind of elastic neckline, and then there's one button there with a little keyhole opening right through there. So that's cute. This is really pretty. It seems like it's probably rayon. And, you know, just that really cool material. It's machine washed cold separately, gentle cycle, no bleach, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. And the material is 100% polyester. So this is not rayon, this is polyester. Do you guys ever remember polyester being like really scratchy? What have they done? This one is by Allison Joy. It's got two little strings here. They're not, I guess they are drawstrings. They're drawstrings. There's no hood. It seems like a pretty nice sweater. It's really weighty. There is a small ribbing through the cuff. The cuff is pretty large. I like that. And there's a little bit of a balloon sleeve going on there. This is $98, size small. It's in the color navy blue. V-neck with a drawstring. So that looks and feels really pretty. It is 51% viscose, 28% PST, and 21% nylon. And this is dry clean for best results, or hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. This is an oversized waffle knit shirt. I hope you can see it. It's a top or a blouse, and it's got looks kind of like a boat neck. It's very oversized. This is a size small. This is kind of in a cream color. I'm sure they call it something else, but I will list that. It's got a cuff, and it's not a tight cuff, so this is really meant to be very slouchy and oversized. I can tell. It's by Sanctuary, size small, and it's $59. There's two slits, one on either side, and they're fairly deep slits, and then the bottom has, you know, a seam through here, and then kind of a, you know, a nice beveled edge there. So we will see what that looks like. It looks pretty big, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I mean, that would probably be really good with some leggings. Some like, and let me look. They might give me some leggings. I think I saw leggings. Hang on. Hey now. Hey now. We've got some leggings. One of you out there asked me if I could find some leggings that were pleather, that were similar to Spanx. Now, I own a pair of Spanx. They're in my closet, and I have never worn them just because, you know, I just haven't worn them, you know. These are $98. These are by the brand Commando. So I'm going to tell you, these are $98, so they are comparable. The price is comparable to Spanx. So I say these better fit darn good, okay? Because, you know, Spanx is the brand. It's not like you could buy these instead of Spanx, because I guess these are a little bit thicker than Spanx, to be honest with you. These actually feel a little bit different than Spanx, but they do feel really, really stretchy. And let me show you the bottom. There's no hemming going on there. It's just kind of like somebody went and cut it. So that is that. And these are really soft. These are, they smell like leather, but they're not. These are definitely faux leggings, and I am excited to try them on. They seem like they're going to be a little bit cropped, but they're also very stretchy, very stretchy. So I'm excited for that too. Okay, this is the last thing they sent, and this is kind of a, this is pretty. This is a, let me put my glasses on again. This is a dress, and it's got like a mock neck on it. And this is kind of a tooling, so it's kind of see-through right through here. The whole dress is kind of has tooling on it. Kind of that see-through netting kind of. And it's a really pretty design. I mean, it's got like splotches. It kind of looks a little tie-dyed, I guess. And the colors are pretty. They're gray and kind of a wine or a mauve and a black. So that's really pretty. It looks like a midi dress. It actually ruches through here. And then it's got a nice, you know, obviously a slip or a, you know, another black piece of material underneath. This one is $108. This is a Kiara mesh dress, smoke abstract, size small, $108. Let's see what that's like. I'm gonna go ahead and try this stuff on for you. What do you think of this navy sweater? It's a kind of a crop sweater, and you know, I feel like this V would be too deep if I kind of left it open. So I would probably tie it right here. I love the sleeve, and do you see the color? It's so pretty. The pants fit pretty well, but they are truly high-waisted on me. I'm gonna show you the back. So they fit nice, they feel comfortable. The sweater I'm not crazy about. I like crop sweaters with high-waisted jeans, but this particular sweater, it's just a little ill-fitting. Like it doesn't really fit me like I would like it to fit. So I probably won't be keeping the sweater. I'm sure it'd be cute on someone. It's definitely high quality. This top is actually pretty cute. It looks like you can button it right there. I would just pull it back like that, and it just fits me better like this. I like the sleeves, and I tried it on with these same jeans to begin with, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try them on with the faux leather. So I just wanted you to see this top with the jeans. I really think this top has potential. This is a size small, and for me, I'm moving really slow because my lights, I have to get this fixed. It's like some kind of a hyper exposure, so I apologize. I'm doing the best I can. Well, the thing is that while this fits me like this, if I were to pull my arms this way, it does get a little tight through here. So as you can see, it doesn't look tight right now. Look at the back. There's just not a whole lot of stretch to this, you know. So it's really a pretty top though. I'm really liking the fit, as long as I'm not pulling it like this. I hope you can see it. It's floral, and there's some taupes in there as well as a black background and some whites. It's really pretty. This is a really classy looking top. Do you guys hear the yard guys out there? This whole video, I've just realized that that's all you can hear. Oh man, I'm not sure why they come so late in the day, but I didn't even realize till just now that I heard the lawn guys. I do like it. I may keep this one. We will see. Now, I'm not sure if these are my style. These are a little bit form-fitting, and yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you these. I'm gonna do it quickly before the yard guys start up again. Here they are. I'm just gonna tell you right now, these are super stretchy, and you would want to size down because you want them to fit. I'm sure that the way they're supposed to fit are very form-fitting like this. You don't want any like creases, you know what I mean? So these are probably a really good pant. They feel a little on the thicker side. Here's the bottom. And they do have sort of a cinching in at the top here. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's just the type of material. It just kind of, you know, it really pulls things in. So I want to show you that. Tell me what you think. I'm going to switch the shirt. It is long, but it's cute. This is a cute shirt, especially if you have like, you know, the leggings on the bottom. It really does work with something like this. It's totally oversized. And like I said, it's a size small, but it totally does work with something like this. It looks like it's a little bit longer in the back. Tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna wait till these long guys stop, and then I'm gonna come back and... Bear is the color, it's bear. But I wanna show you up close, that waffle knit. It's nice. And these sleeves have a cuff, but it's loose. And it's a nice fabric. It really does feel nice and cozy. You know, you could layer like a tank top underneath it. And okay, here is the dress, the last dress, and it is, you know, very interesting. This is really nice through here. What in the Samuel? Okay, guys, so this is not my arm. I was like, what's happening? This is part of the dress. So this is what the dress does here. And I'm not completely crazy about that. I guess it's supposed to look like, I don't know, clouds or something? I don't know. I like the crop neck. And the length of the dress is really pretty. So I do have this on with my Amazon pumps. Just wanted to put something simple on. I had the other boots on earlier, and I just thought it was a little too loud. It is an interesting dress. I don't know that it's my style. This is a little bit too dark for me. So now I like black. I like wearing black, but just the way that this dress looks, it's just not, you know, I guess if I had my hair up, and kind of in an updo, you know, and then maybe some colorful heels, you know, maybe some colorful heels and some colorful earrings. That might be the way that I could wear this dress. However, it's $108, and I don't love it. You know, it's not knocking my socks off. I really do hope that you let me know what you think of this dress. And I do love that it's really, really stretchy and that it's very stretchy everywhere. So I have to tell you, this is it's got ruching here. It's a very comfortable dress. And that slip underneath, it's not really a slip, it is the dress. So it's a thick piece of black material and it goes all the way up, you know. And this tooling, by the way, isn't itchy. Like, if this is what you call it, like, it's definitely not that itchy kind of feel. But take a look at that. I'm not crazy about that. It definitely fits really nice. I do like the fit. I just want it to be brighter, you know. That's why you could add the brighter shoes, the brighter accessories, the brighter purse. You know, you could definitely make it work. Okay, I know the light's a little bit different than when I started, but thank you guys for sticking with me. It is dark outside, so it's dusk, so I don't have a whole lot of light right now. Let me know if you liked anything in this haul. Did you like this box? I don't know. I mean, I'm going to keep one thing probably because I do have to spend the $20, whatever it is, I'm going to list it right there. But I want to, you know, that goes toward the item. So it kind of makes it worth my while if I do purchase something in the haul. So I'm leaning toward the black and taupe blouse. If you saw something that you really loved, please let me know in the comments. If you do want to try Trendsend, you can go ahead and try Trendsend for $1. So go ahead and go through my link. And just to see if you like it. So they're basically charging you $1 for the styling fee the very first time. It's always interesting, you know, to see what someone else would pick for you. I don't feel like I was thrilled about anything in this box, to be honest with you. This is my 4th or 5th box, and like I said before, somebody commented, do I know if I'm getting styled from the warehouse or from the store? So I think that might make a difference. So I just may go ahead and call into Trendsend to see just what's going on and may give them another try. But the clothes are quality. We'll just have to see. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thanks for sticking with me. Comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I would love for you to join this community of fun women around here. And, you know, hit that bell notification so you never miss another upcoming video. Until next time, God bless you.